Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a review and kind of like a demo of, I don't know why I did demo, of the hair extensions by a company called Irresistible Me. I was very kindly sent some hair extensions of my choice, my length and colour to review and share with you guys. I'm super excited for this video. I have the extensions in now and I'm going to show you how I like style them, and you'll see like the before and the after of what they look like and how different my hair looks. I'm so impressed with these. I have done previous videos on my hair and like my hair history and like my hair story, so if you want to see any of that, I'll link it down below. My hair is quite thin and I have psoriasis as well, which is actually really mild at the moment. Hasn't been bad for maybe like a year or so, but I've done a video previously about that. If you're in the same situation as me, then definitely go over and watch that. I'll link it down below. I also have got a discount code for you that Irresistible Me have given me to share with you guys, so I will link that down below in the description box, and also the Irresistible Me website and some more information about the particular ones that I've got and the particular ones that they sort of share on their website. But I'll link all of that down below in the description box, so definitely go and check that out. I don't want to make this video too long and rambly because I'm just so excited. I want to get into it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy. If you do, please give it a big old thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below to see more videos from me and join in with my little family. But I wanted to mention how beautifully they came packaged. They come in the most beautiful box that I don't want to throw away, so I think I'm going to keep it. So they come in the most beautiful box, and when you open it, it had like a little thank you card in there. I also love that the kind of pouch they came in had two sections, and one was like a sample piece of the hair, so you could open that one first to see if that was the colour that you're after, the sort of length that you're after, and like obviously the quality. So you can feel that one first and obviously sample that one without having to open the full packet if it's potentially not the one that you're after or the wrong colour, that kind of thing. In my circumstance, the colour was exactly what I wanted, the length was exactly what I wanted. I had trimmed it the tiniest amount just so it fitted exactly in with my hair, because my hair is like short at the back and longer at the front. It has like a droop to it, a droop. I'm super excited for this video and I'm just gonna get on with it. Okay, so to create this look, I am gonna be obviously using the hair extensions from Irresistible Me. I need a few of these little clips to section off the hair. I have a heat protectant spray, and I also have some dry shampoo, a good old hairbrush, and I am going to be curling my hair in this video. So I'm using these, which are the, I'll just say it, Noomi. I'll link them down below, and they're really good hair curler, so I'm going to be using those in this video. Also, I must just note that normally when we're not in lockdown, my hair is this darker colour that matches the hair extensions, but as we are currently in lockdown here in the UK, it's slightly different, but by the time I have styled it, you shouldn't be able to tell. But this is the sort of my natural, not my natural colour, my dyed colour. So I'm going to keep the one that is in the sample as an extra bit of hair. Of course I'm going to use that. And then in the main part, oh, you also get extra clips, guys. They've just fallen on my toes. You get the thickest piece with 4 clips. This is like the thickest section. Then you get 2 lots with 3 clips on. Oh, and a sample one with 3 clips on. Then you get 2 with 2 clips on, and you get 2 single ones, which I always find these really good to just like fill it out, especially if you've got like a middle parting or a parting over one side. It's good to just sort of like even the thickness of your hair out. So the first thing I'm going to do is just separate my hair. I like to leave quite a bit at the bottom, but I'm going to put the 4 piece in first, and it's going to sit just above my ear. So I'm just going to section that off with my fingers. Also, I'm not a hairdresser, so nobody come for me in this video because I'm just an average girl. Okay, so I'm going to switch my curlers on. I love these curlers. I'm going to use a heat protectant spray, no particular one. This is like coming to the end of this one. Oh. No particular one. I love a L'Oreal one. I can't remember what it's called, but I used to use that all the time. And then I just picked this up for no particular reason. It was just the heat protectant spray. So I'm just gonna run that through just so my hair's not wet. Otherwise when you curl it or put heat to it, it just goes tss, you think your hair's on fire. So I'm just gonna sort of brush out the tiniest amount. I'm just gonna back comb the part where I'm going to put my extensions in, which just gives the clip a bit more sort of like a grip to stay onto, and it also makes the extensions sort of stay in for longer. I would say the clips are like a really good quality. They're nice and sort of sturdy in this. I don't feel like these are gonna come out anytime soon. Then I'm just gonna grip it in. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is start to curl my hair, and as I go around I'm going to be adding in bits of my own hair and the extensions, curl them together. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now that section is nice and wavy, I'm going to let down the next section of hair and put one of the 3 clips in. And then I'm going to do another one of the 3 there. So for quickness of the video, I have just finished curling all the bottom bits of my hair. I've got extensions up to here. I have got the 2 single ones left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish curling the sort of top layer of my hair and then see where I want a little bit extra and then add those ones in after I have curled this. So I'm just gonna curl the rest of this and yeah, see if I want any more thickness and where I would like it. I am so impressed with how much more volume these extensions have given me. Like just my sort of hair like thickness that way is amazing. So I think I'm just going to add one in here just to sort of make that bit look a little better. I'm just going to curl this one quick because the rest of my hair is curled. These hair curlers have gone so hot now that it literally takes like 2 seconds to get like a nice bounce in it. There we go. I can't believe that. I'm not going to put any product in because I want to see how well the curls hold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that down below in the description box if you want to know how well like the extension sort of held the style. I'll pop that down below for you guys. I am really impressed. Like they don't weigh my head down. I don't have like an instant headache. I can't really feel them, to be honest. My hair doesn't feel tight or anything like that, which I've had in the past with hair extensions. So I'm really impressed with these. I would definitely recommend them. They have loads and loads of different things all on their website, so I'll leave their website link down below, so definitely go and check that out. I also have a discount code for you which I will leave down below in the description box as well. I would love to know if you've also tried these hair extensions. Then leave a lovely comment down below. Please be sure to check out their social media. I'll pop it down below in the description box as well, and also check out mine. I'm over on Instagram the most. I am on Facebook and Twitter, but I'm mostly on my Instagram. I upload things on there daily, so definitely head over there and give me a follow if you would love to stick around and join in with my little family. Thank you again to Irresistible Me for sending me the hair extensions. I am super happy with them, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, so give it a big old thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you very soon for another video.